Hello, this is Dr. Cool Auto Fix. How are you today? Okay, today I'm going to be sharing with you two common problems which is common with most FSI turbos. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you've done that, click on the notification bell icon to keep you updated on some other future videos which I'm going to be uploading concerning turbo, concerning car, fix, AC, you name it, painting, and all of that is right here. Okay, the three common problems you're going to be finding with most VW turbo is one is right in front of you here, which for some models is going to be a clearance between this and this when there is a clearance within this very place here, and when it happens, or maybe this pin fall off, maybe the last mechanic that works on it didn't put this retain clip that's going to help to hold it in place so it doesn't retention back. So the first one, like I said, is going to be play, but here you see there is no any single play here. This is fine. Now the second one is gonna be play within inside shaft here, which here I don't see any much play here. It's just very little, more like as if it's just a millimeter. Third one here, which I see, and the shop which I went to get some parts, which I'm gonna be using the pipe that sucks oil, which is this one here that goes to the oil palm underneath. That's another thing right there. That pipe do often get destroyed. Let me show you what it looks like. And the reality there is that that place is actually on a tight spot, so mechanic won't take their time to actually get that removed on time, and they get to mess it up. So okay, this is the pipe right here. The smaller side, I think the smaller side connects to the turbo, while the bigger side connects to the bottom plate, I mean the oil palm. Okay, the other one, which is the most common one, which I think should be the fourth, you can see right here. I didn't show you completely. This pipe is damaged right now, but you can actually replace it, or you find another stronger hose to actually use to reconnect it back, right? So the other one is this pipe right here. This pipe here, the reality there is that where this turbo is gonna be facing down here, is gonna be coming up like this. This is how it's gonna be mounted on the engine. So most times when mechanic come around to come and work on it, and they are trying to troubleshoot why there is a low turbo boost, their hand can actually, to get your hands here is gonna be really tight. So if your hands crosses this very place right here, trust me, you have caused a damage right there, and that damage is, you can see right now, is broken, right? And I think they made that to be very fragile. This one is also broken, as you can see right now. And if you try to glue it up, you might end up blocking the suction, this thing boost hole. So, and when that happens, I think this should be able to throw a trouble code. So right now on my own side, I think I'm going to be finding some kind of metal that I'm going to be using to rebuild this very part here. So it's going to last us, though if right now I wouldn't be able to know if it is working until when I get it back on the engine and scan it. If it throws any trouble code, then pretty much going to be replacing it. Okay, so pretty much this is it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and share with your friends, and I gotta catch you guys later. This is Dr. Cool Auto Fix. Bye for now. Stay dirty.